but I pulled her in close and started to dance. Right there, soaked to the bone. I leaned in and whispered, "Sooner or later, I'll be dancing with you again, and it'll be at our wedding."
Dear future wife, I've been waiting my whole life. Not for perfect, just for someone who feels right. I've prayed through silence and lonely nights. Didn't know your face, but I saw your light. They said there's plenty of fish, but I knew better. None could see me through this weather. Every year, every tear I pushed through was just one more breath.